Hey guys, this is Nasir. Today in this video, I'll be walking you through the various critical accessories I've got installed on my CBR 650R. Firstly, I'll start with the frame sliders. So these are the frame sliders belonging to RetroCross brand. So I've ordered these on their website and got them installed, and they are even available on Instagram as well. So you can check out their page. So let me show you the front view of the bike so that you can compare the gap between the fairing and the extension of these frame sliders. The gap is close to 1 inch. So as you could see, the gap between the frame sliders and the fairing is around 1 inch. And now come to say about the tank pad. So this is a tank pad. I bought it online. So it has got a great carbon fiber look. So it has a logo of CBR in yellow color. The reason for buying this yellow color logo tank pad was to have a symmetry with the rear monoshock, which is in yellow color as well. So this yellow matches with the tank pad yellow, so I wanted to have that. And now come to say about the third critical accessory, which is nothing but radiator guard. So radiator guard helps your radiator from all the debris or the stones flying out from the front tire. So this is one of the most critical accessory, guys. So guys, that's it about the accessories I have installed on my CBR 650R 2022. Do like and share this video with your friends who are interested in buying this amazing and beautiful bike, and please let me know what are your views via comments, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Till then, take care of yourself and bye.